Chapter 8.4 Graphing y equals a x minus h squared plus k. We are doing example number 2 where we have y equals x minus h squared plus k. In this example, this k is used for moving the graph up and down, and the h is used for left and right. We did these examples, but we did one by one. We just did either the horizontal translation, which is just h, or we just did the vertical translation, means up and down, which is k. Now we are going to use the horizontal and the vertical translation together. Again, the k is used for moving the graph up or down, and h is used for left or right. Now example A, graph y equals x plus 5 squared minus 1. The plus 1 means that you're going to move the graph 5 units to the left. So we're going to have 5 units left. And for negative 1, you're going to use the up and down. So it's going to go down 1 unit. So first of all, I'm going to graph the parent graph function starting from 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and then combine this to get the parent graph. And now for this function, the new function, that is this one. So this function, x plus 5 minus 1, is moved 5 unit to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit to the left and 1 unit down. So this is going to be my starting point. And after that, I'm going to use the same pattern, that is 1, 1 and 2, 4. So 2, 4. And that's going to be your next point. And when you combine that, you're going to get the graph, that is this graph right here, which is moved 5 units to the left and 1 unit down from the original parent function. For letter B, this negative 3 means you're going to move right 3 unit, and this 2 means that you're going to move up 2 units. The parent function is 1, 1, 2, 4, and the same on the other side. And you're going to move the parent function, where you're going to move it is 3 unit to the right side and 2 unit up. So this is my point where I'm going to start the new parabola, which is this one. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and this point right here. And after that, I'm going to use the pattern 1, 1, 2, 4 on both sides, and I'm going to get my graph, that is a new graph for the function, that is y equals x minus 3 squared plus 2, and that graph is moved 3 units right and 2 units up from the original function. You try problem for example 2, number 4. You're going to move the graph, that is going to be 4 unit right, and then negative 2 means that you're going to move down 2 units. Original graph is always 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and from the original graph, you're going to move the graph, that is 4 unit to the right. So this 4 unit to the right, 2 unit down. So this is the point you're going to start the parabola from. And then you're going to move 1, 1 and 2, 4. And the new graph is moved 4 unit right, 2 unit down from the original graph. For number 5, this -2 means, this +2 means that you're going to move 2 unit left and 3 unit up from the original graph. You're going to move the new graph that is going to be 2 unit left side, so which is 1 2 and 3 unit up, so this is the point. 1 1 and 2 4, which is not here, so I'm just going to use these 3 points to get the parabola. Next you have number 6, where you're going to move the graph 3 right and 4 down. Originally you have this graph that is 1 1 and 2 4, and from here you're going to move the graph 3 unit right, 1 2 3 4 unit down, and this is the point, and follow the pattern 1 1 and then 2 4, so 1 1 2 4, and combine them, and you're going to get the graph that is moved 3 unit to the right, 4 unit down from the original graph.